guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a uni move-in vlog. So I did one of these, I think, yeah, oh my god, first year 2 years ago. So I'm doing one again. I don't know why I didn't do one last year, but it just didn't end up happening. So in this vlog I'll take you along in my uni move-in day. So I've moved to a different place and I was very lucky that my lease overlapped, so most of my stuff is already at the new house. I just have to bring up some clothes and like maybe a couple food shopping that I won't be able to get when I'm up in uni. So welcome to this move-in vlog and let's get started with this moving to uni. In Matalan getting some last minute stuff, so I need to also get some dustpan and brush for the house and just getting bits and bobs for the house at Matalan. I am in the car from Matalan and basically I'm sort of in a dilemma. Oh, I got the draining dishes and I needed a new toilet cleaner, so I got that. But I'm in a dilemma because I don't know whether to go to IKEA now and buy the, what's it called, the clothing rail. I don't know whether to do that now or see when I get there and see if I have some extra clothes if I need one. I don't know if I should bring one regardless, or yeah, I'm just really in a dilemma because I don't have IKEA near my uni, so it's either that or I order it. I think it's best if I get there and if I need a clothing rail I'll order one rather than having bring extra stuff as well. And plus I don't think I'm gonna bring loads of clothes this year, so yeah, just gonna go to Sainsbury's because they didn't have a dustpan and brush at Matalan, so that's where we are. And then I'm gonna head back home to pack and stuff. Yeah, leaving tomorrow. Yes, so this is the situation. I have so many, well, isn't really so many stuff, but I've packed things into what I want, into jeans, only bringing a couple of jeans and a couple tops. I have all my jumpers there already, so that's a good thing. Do I? Yes, I do. So I don't really need to bring a lot of jumpers, and also the weather's quite good, but this is my situation. Loads and loads of stuff, but let's see. Thank god we're taking the car to drive up there, you know. It's just crazy. Most of my stuff is already packed in the car and basically all I have to pack is what I'm wearing. So my clothes and some shoes and like 2 jackets at most. Yeah, that's the situation. Thank god I'm taking the car. I couldn't do this on the train. So this is the current setup. I'm at the back with all the stuff. Guys, so this is the state of my room. The only part that I have put together is that part and my bed, but it's very nice. Just stuff everywhere that needs to be sorted out, but it's a very nice room. Oh yeah, my like stuff for school, but this is the room. Good morning everyone. Look how nice our backyard garden is. It's so nice. It's just nice to open the window and then there's nice sunlight in the garden. My last house didn't have a garden. And look, my flatmate got some flowers for the table. So I'm just gonna sit here and have some breakfast.
Because we are everywhere, but because I see black people, just naturally, I see black people around.
Through our lens.
So I love that you can see it. You can see that.
Hey guys, so a couple of days have passed now. I don't know how many days have passed, but I basically finished my room now, and I will show you how it all looks like. It'll be a quick brief overview. I didn't do anything special to this room. I just used the same decorations that I have been using for the past 2 years now. So yeah, I'm very happy with this room. I like it very much. It's not as big as my old room, but it's still pretty cozy and like very roomy. I didn't put anything on the walls because, you know, yeah, it's just not worth it with my experience previously with putting stuff on the wall. So it's bare walls, but I did my best to decorate everything as much as I can so it still looks cute. So let me show you the room. Okay, so this is the overview of my room. Yeah, but I'll start off in that corner by the door. I have a peg that I got from B&M, and I just have my bags, my tote bag for shopping and like the gym, and like a side bag, this shoulder bag, and a like bum bag. So there's that. It looks very nice and simple on the door. So if you turn around, this is the view. Well, not the view, but this is what you see when you step into my room. So I'll start off here with my shelf. This area is my favorite area of my room. This part of my room is just very cute and cozy and very personal. So I have my plant up there. I put it up there because it doesn't need a lot of sunlight, so that's good for me up there. And then I have some notebooks and some books that I've read or meaning to read. I have these 3 lined up. Well, I started this one but need to finish that, so I have these 2 lined up. And then here I have my clock, so I know the time and I'm not running late. I try my best. And then 2 plants here, 2 succulents, and then I have my keys and then some colouring books. And then over here I have my wardrobe. So up there I have toilet roll. Could never have too much toilet roll. And then my wardrobe, which is kind of small than what I'm used to, but I've made it work. So inside I've basically hanged jackets and jumpers up there, and then my jeans, folded them and put them there. And then at the bottom I have just shoes, extra stuff, bags, my wig head, and all sorts. I have tops, whether that be small little tops, stuff like that, really. Ooh. My second favorite part is my huge desk. Last year my desk was really small. I'd say like it was like this size, but this is like my first year desk, and I have this very comfortable chair. But over here in that corner I just have water and my bag that I'll use for school, and some filing cabinets there. So at the top, well, really here I haven't really organized stuff. It's just whatever's left over that I don't want on show or in storage is there. And then down here I have chargers and hair straighteners, all sorts of stuff. And then over here I haven't really put anything here, but when I start school I put papers, folders, and yeah, papers, any assignments that I've gotten back, just to store there. And then on the side here I have my hairdryer. So this area is very cute, like my fun area with makeup all over there. This is from IKEA, very handy. And then my jewelry plate from Matalan, very cute dish. And then this plant pot that I have that I use from IKEA as a brush holder. I really do need to clean my brushes because that is kind of disgusting. And then here I just have a body mist that I got, in fact yesterday when I went into town, and then perfume there. Here I have a little mirror from Matalan as well. And in this corner is like my work corner. I have my laptop, some lined paper, my planner, pencil case and stuff. And then I got flowers. I got this flower vase actually from Poundland, and it was £1 obviously, Poundland. Really like the shape of it. Not much to say, but yeah, I got these flowers, very pretty, just to add something to the room in that corner. This shelf is my work, uni shelf with textbooks, folders, and then like lined paper, some assignments. In fact, I'll put those down there, some assignments that I got back. And then here is just random stuff in there, as you can see, all sorts. The end of my bed I have this storage box to put jumpers, bed sheets, towels, all sorts of stuff in there because I don't have a lot of storage in this room. And then I have my blanket at the end of my bed, and then I have my bed. The bedding is from IKEA. Yeah, bedding came together. And then this is from Matalan. It is in fact a double duvet, but I've just folded it up. And then here I have my mirror. So I have my mirror here that I just stuck on with command strips. Yeah, I didn't know if I wanted to put my mirror there or on this door, but I opted for here. So here it is. And then I have my bedside table, and there I have like underwear, pajamas, and then gym stuff, and then my laundry basket. Yeah, that is my room. That is the end of the room tour. So I hope you enjoyed it, this move-in vlog. You know what, the background is very nice, it's very cute. So this is my move-in vlog, and then a quick uni room. I didn't want to do anything official because you guys have seen 2 of my rooms before. Didn't think you really needed another one, and there are so many room tours on YouTube at the moment. So yeah, this is my room, very simple, but I like it a lot and it's very cozy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.